Itineo SB740 Spirit Edition. This is a motorhome which will cost €76,000. It's got a bed up there, it's got storage all the way around. Obviously the bed will come down, and an enormous table here. Seats, captain's chairs, you can turn around to the table with thousands of other people sitting around these chairs. Back here we've got the kitchen with a sink and 2 burners, or 3 if you chose to take that option. Under the kitchen we've got more storage, and in here we've got a shower, largish one, with a place to dry your socks on should that be required. Further back here there's a big wardrobe and more storage and double beds. The bed at the bottom will come out. In fact, they both come out. The top one though, you'll have to unscrew it. The point in taking the bottom one out is to put more room in the garage. More storage here, and here we have the toilet, which is relatively large. There's a big mirror, and here is a big fat fridge with a big fat freezer as well. There's room for your television, and there is your control of your electrics and water in the van. This vehicle has this garage as well, and now you can see why you might want to get rid of this bed. So you have more room down here. There's only one door in the garage, and it's on this side. So this vehicle is, I shall give it to you now, 742 centimeters long, 234 wide and 294 high. 3.5 ton basis. Don't know what the empty weight is, but I'm pretty certain there won't be much in the way of payload in there. So thanks for watching this very quick run round of this SB740 from Itineo in under 3 minutes, which I'm trying to do because of the restrictions placed here at Caravan Salon. Thank you for watching.